Hello guys, well I'm back in Killing Craft and let's start trolling someone here. Okay, not my friend only, but the others. I'm gonna troll them. Kill them! Kill them all! Yes! Get Vanish Star. Lost TPO. Maeve, I'm just gonna troll Maeve again. Well, here it is. Here it is. First we need to do is if you're in the server, just follow what am I doing. Get this one, then get some TNT. Just okay. But I would want. I know he can see me with. Let's go spawn. Well, let's go spawn. He's gonna TP me. Yes. Okay. Just stay here for a while. Okay. Okay, guys. Well. Oh, oh, oh no, he knows it that I'm the one who trolled him. Nope, I'm in fun. Nope, I'm in fun. Nope, I'm in fun. Okay. Okay. It's gone well. Okay, it's broken. It's really broken. Let's put some guys here. Green or red. Yeah, this guys. Guys. Let's get sand. These guys and then level redstone and then redstone Peter. This is part 2. Okay, I'm lagging. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Yeah, let's make it to a cannon. It's disguising, okay? Need this wood. Okay. I mean, we need water, not lava. Then our stone slab. Get some stone slab. By the way, guys, I'm using shaders as always. Yeah. I'm really lagging this time. The server is so lagged. Edit, guys, well, next thing to do is put wood here. Then lever here. So lagging server. Many will leave the server. I think so. This dicing. They can see what am I doing. By the way, guys, the one that I made canon last time, it fails. Okay, here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Let's put some TNT. Okay, this. I know. I knew it. He's gonna be angry. He's gonna be angry. Super angry. Okay, no ticket, okay. Okay, I really didn't see this. Okay, I didn't see it, I didn't see it. On my shoes, it did not. Oh, epic fail again. Wait, we're gonna make this high, guys. Think this works. Please. Okay, now it's gonna. Okay, it is. Oh no. No, yes, it's on. Okay. Fail again, fail. Oh shit. Oh, he's laughing. Oh no. Oh, he said fail. Oh, this is a fail video by the way, guys. Well, let's make new TNT world. Oh, someone said. Here it is, guys. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here it is. Okay, I'm sure you can see this. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, get up! It is. It is. Okay, well. Okay, kaboom. Be careful, guys. You should watch. So, it is here. This make it fast. Make it fast. No, man, ready again. No. Oh. Okay. Okay, I think that's all, guys. Well, bye. Hope you get. I wish you. Please leave a comment and like and subscribe for me. Shit. Keep on fail. Next, I'm gonna TNT. All of it. Bot. Bot. I mean, sheep. Bye, guys.